When I understand the importance of building a strong community off of social media, I turn to email marketing. But growing your email list can be one of the most challenging parts. Hey y'all, my name is Elesha Jacobs of Innovategy Solutions, and I partner with service providers and online business owners to leverage email marketing inside of their business with systems and automation. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some of the most ultimate email marketing tips to grow your email list. Let's get into it. So let's get into some of these list building techniques that you can start implementing inside of your email marketing. The first thing you want to do is to create unique content. By creating unique content that is informative, educating, and valuable to your email subscribers, they will look forward to be receiving your email either on a weekly or a monthly basis. So you want to ensure that the information that you're providing inside of your emails, it's unique only to your community and not to any other platform. The next thing you want to do is to encourage your subscribers to share and forward your emails. This is another great way of building your community based on referrals from your subscribers. In this way, you can gain access to your recipients, friends, colleagues, and even network by expanding your contact list. Another important aspect of building your email list is segmenting your audience or your email list based on your buyer's journey or persona. In this way, you can create targeted email content that is specific and valuable for a specific buyer and which part of their customer journey that they're on. Segmentation accounts for 76% of the revenue coming in from email marketing because email marketers understand the increased chances of creating targeted content related to a buyer's journey or the level at which they are in the customer journey. It's always good to optimize your email list by rethinking your opt-in campaigns. This can be your lead generation. If you have been working with a lead generation for the past 6 months and based on the data that is coming in, it's time for you to think about switching up your lead generator or your lead magnet. In this way, you can get fresh content out and maybe bring in more people into your email list based on that content or valuable information that you will be providing. So reimagine your lead magnets. You can create multiple lead magnets for different content pillars or even your products and services. And in this way, you have a great flow of leads coming in and you're able now to create specific targets and how you're going to actually target those leads. If you're ready to show off your expertise in a specific industry, whether it's through a product or a service, this is a great way for you to build your email list. Create resource tools or even resources that is easily accessible to subscribers. The minute they sign up, they automatically get that particular resource in their inbox. In this way, you're not only enhancing the experience of your leads, but you are also providing value. And in this way, people need your resources. People love bonus content. You might be providing resources or even tools for your product or service or even inside of your industry, but people love bonus content. So this is where you can create more bonus content with regards to giving advice on a specific subject or within a specific industry. And in this way, in order for them to get that bonus content, they will have to submit their emails. Whether you're doing social media marketing or your overall digital marketing, you want to ensure that you have a solid email marketing strategy. So use these tips to start building a community that it looks forward to hearing from you, and also a community that is fostered through stronger relationships and loyalty to your brand or your business. I hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can also check out these videos for more information on email marketing and how you can leverage it inside of your business. Let me know in the comments down below some of your thoughts on what you have been using to grow your email list.